Hello. So how I made my dog tag jig, let me show you. Obviously, you're going to need a physical dog tag. Once you get that, go over to the software. I apologize, I don't know Lightburn or Gerbil, but it should be pretty straightforward on the same thing. I'm using the Boss laser software. But once you have your dog tag, go online and find a generic image of just a dog tag, import it into your software. On the Boss laser, I use this. It's the BMP or the bitmap handle. This isn't going to be the right image, but you'll get the idea. So this, again, imagine this image is your dog tag. Now what this does, this will trace the outline of the dog tag so that you can physically cut it on your laser. So once you have that outline that you want to cut, you can just measure your physical dog tag to make sure that in the software, the sizes will be the same. Then it's up to you. You can put however many you want. You can do whatever spacing you want. Again, make it as long as you want. You can go 2 at a time, 4 at a time, doesn't really matter. But then you will physically cut out that section. This is just some scrap acrylic I had lying around, but you'll physically cut out each spot onto your acrylic and then put a backer onto it. So again, this is just another piece of acrylic I had lying around, but you can use wood or whatever you got. And again, this is just double-sided tape. So double-sided tape, glue it, whatever you want, so there's a backer to it. And that's it. I made a note for myself, so if I ever take this jig out, so that I know that I need to set my focal point to this corner. So back to the software, I would change my starting point to down here. So when I put this jig into my laser, it'll all match up. Then you can put whatever designs or image that you want into the dog tag area. Just make sure that the dog tag area is turned off within the laser. So mine's the brown line, so it's turned off. Obviously, once you cut this jig, don't move any of these dog tag outlines, because then you'll screw up your entire jig. But yeah, then just put in whatever images you want and have fun. But I hope any of that rambling made any sense whatsoever. If it did, awesome. If not, please let me know, and I will try to make it a little bit more clear next time. But until then, okay, bye.